Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how to program tapping glass switch. Okay, when you have an issue, if your glass is not working from the driver side, the passenger switch is not working from the driver side, all you need to do is depress here to come downward. Okay, when it comes down, you hold it for 4 seconds and you press it to go up. As you can see, when it is in up, you hold it for 4 seconds. After you have done that, the master switch will now be working. I'm going to plug it. When I plug it, you will see how it works. Everything is working perfectly now. As you can see here. That is how to fix it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.